Hello and welcome to a fascinating journey of discovery. Today, we're going to uncover a intriguing scientific secret. Can meditation truly regenerate our brain? For a long time, meditation has been seen as a way to find inner peace, reduce stress, and improve focus. But do these benefits stop at the mental level, or do they also profoundly affect the structure and function of the brain, the control center for all our thoughts and emotions? For decades, scientists have begun to delve into this research using advanced brain imaging technologies like MRI to directly observe changes in the brains of people who regularly practice meditation, and their results are truly astonishing. We'll explore groundbreaking studies that prove meditation doesn't just help your mind relax, but can also change how your brain works and even its physical structure. One of the most notable findings is an increase in gray matter density in important brain regions. Gray matter contains nerve cells, which play a crucial role in learning, memory, concentration, and emotional regulation. Imagine your brain as a giant library. Meditation is how you add many valuable books, making this library richer and stronger. Not only that, studies also show that meditation can reduce the size of the amygdala. This is the brain's alarm center, which processes fear, anxiety, and stress. When the amygdala shrinks, we feel calmer and react less excessively to stressful situations in life. It's like you're lowering the volume of the alarm in your head. Meditation also helps improve neural connections between different brain regions. This is so important. This means that the information highways in the brain become much smoother and more efficient. Information is transmitted quickly and accurately. As a result, you can think faster, make better decisions, and react more flexibly to any challenge. Your problem-solving abilities are also significantly enhanced. So, how can a simple practice like meditation create such powerful changes? The answer lies in the brain's plasticity, its ability to change and adapt through experience. Meditation is a powerful experience that helps reshape your brain in the most positive way. It trains the brain to become healthier and more flexible. These discoveries open a new door, showing that meditation is no longer just a spiritual practice or simple relaxation activity. Instead, it's a real scientific tool that helps us improve the health and performance of our brains. Isn't that amazing? Researchers have also found positive changes in the prefrontal cortex, a region associated with planning, decision-making, and problem-solving. This indicates that meditation helps us make wiser decisions, reduces impulsivity, and encourages more conscious actions. Some studies even suggest that meditation can slow down the natural aging process of the brain. This means you can maintain sharp cognitive abilities, better memory, and a clearer mind. As you get older, additionally, regular meditation practice has been linked to increased attention to the present moment, helping us reduce mind wandering and the tendency to overreact to negative things around us. Meditation not only improves brain structure, but also optimizes its functions, helping you live a more mindful life. So, are you ready to try meditation and discover the positive changes and incredible potential within your own brain? Just a few minutes each day, you can begin the journey of transforming your brain for the better, thereby improving your quality of life. This is not just a hidden scientific secret, but a real potential that is within your reach. Meditation offers a simple yet powerful approach to enhance your mental and physical well-being. It helps you build mental resilience, facing life's challenges more calmly and effectively. You'll feel a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you, living each moment to the fullest. Remember, consistent and persistent practice is key to reaping the wonderful benefits that meditation offers. So, what are you waiting for? Let's delve deeper into how to practice meditation effectively and turn these scientific secrets into reality in the next segment. Don't miss it.